Today's video from Sam4S, we're taking a look at how to change the journal roll paper on the NR500 series register. So in this video I'm using the model the NR520RB. The process will be the same on the 520FB, so it's any of the machines with two printers. So obviously on this one we've got the journal paper end error message. So the first thing to do is to remove the printer cover and then take a look at what's going on. So we've got at the back of the machine we have the journal take-up spool. So if we lift that out of the way for now, we can see that there's no paper in this area here. So you take the new till roll, so it's thermal 58mm paper, drop it in like this, and then close over the platen arm. That's the easy bit done. That'll actually clear the error message. So if you press the clear button now, the errors can go and you can actually use the machine. But the next thing we need to do is to put the new till roll onto this take-up spool. So if we slide off the disc, so you should have a disc on the end, which if you just push down so that the wider side is over the end of the spool, then that can be removed. And then you need to remove the paper that's spooled up on to your spool. Take that off and pop it somewhere safe. And then the new roll, there's a slot on the journal spool, and you basically just need to, I like to feed the paper over to get a nice thicker edge. Pop that into the spool slot and then wrap it round a couple of times. We then get the disc and pop that back on. It clicks into place, and then you should be able to, whilst tightly winding the paper round to take up the slack, drop it into place. You can double check you've done it correctly by pressing the detail feed button here. That all looks okay, and then just before you pop the printer cover back on, you want to feed out a little bit of the receipt roll, then just make sure that it feeds through the receipt slot so you don't get your next customer receipt printed inside the printer cover. Clip those back on, and there we go. That's how to load the journal paper on the NR520 registers. To get more out of your Sam4S tools, you can check out any of the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.